Hey guys, today I want to talk about this 2-inch leveling kit for the 04 to 08 F150. First thing I noticed with this kit, it came with a very nice box with everything to do the install. First part I want to talk about are these thermoplastic resin construction top mounted strut spacers. These are a very high strength automotive grade spacer. They come with the hardware pack to mount these to the top of the strut. So there's no disassembly. This is a very easy install, and it comes with your instructions if you have any issues with installing this kit. We'll provide for a larger 33-inch tire. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, to level the stance out front to back, retain factory ride quality, and also for bigger tire clearances. Zone also comes with your Factory Protection Plus warranty. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com. And if you want to stay up to date, visit us on our Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you next time.